Good morning, YouTube. This is Shift Life. This is Z. Welcome to my channel. This vlog is about me and purpose of my channel. So I reside in South Bangalore currently. I come from a very small city known as Nasik from Maharashtra. I've been residing in Bangalore for almost 2 years. So, how did I start vlogging? Well, I keep going around many places. So I decided why not show it to the world. And apart from that, vlogging helps you to keep a memory of the places you have gone, and it stays there. You can go through it whenever you want to. So that's why I started vlogging. And when it comes to recording, editing footages and all, I'm still learning. So please bear with it for now. In near future, I might able to give you quality footage to wherever I go, to whichever place I visit. Well, how did I came up with the channel name? So I'm almost done with my masters, my MBA program. It's almost like 2 months, barely 2 months left, and after that I would be on my own. So one day I just thought, how did I shift from my school life to college, to graduation college, and then to masters. So various phases of life. Along with that, my love for two-wheelers just grew. I started out on Suzuki Samurai, a two-stroke vehicle. I started my, I would say, biking, or I learned how to drive a bike on that bike. And then later on moved to Kinetic Honda. Then later on moved to a Splendor, which I still have. My dad rides it. And then finally this baby 200 NS. So that is how I came up with the name Shift Life. Shifting through various phases of life, or just say shifting through life one gear at a time. So that's my logic. And as far as my channel, yes, I will try to get as much as footage for you guys. I'll try to upload quality content on my channel for you guys to view and to share. And as I said, I'm still learning as to frame the video, use the camera basically, and get a grips on basic simple video editing. So for now, yes, my editing would suck, if you compare it to others. But I do promise in near future vlogs, my editing would be good, and I hope so to bring more of footage for you guys to see. So and one of my dreams to explore India, or say to cover India, tour on India as much as on road. And the second most important reason, or say most just say second reason for vlogging, is that I could reach to you guys via means of YouTube, via a common platform, and interact with similar mindsets who are just not even staying like in Bangalore or staying nearby me, to even get in touch with people, to even let people know about me who are not even just not. And through the means of vlogging, I can show the people of India how beautiful this country can be. And you have got a lot of places to go around, and you don't need to go to international tours and say like, that country is so nice and this country is so nice. Hey, even we've got places, you just need to hop on a set of 2 wheels or 4 wheels and start exploring. And I bet you it would be more fun and adventurous. Okay, so back to my channel. Purpose of my channel, if you guys like the content, give it a thumbs up. If there's any suggestions or where I should improve, they're all welcome. You can leave down in comments, or you can mail them to me, or you can leave it as a message on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to. And yeah, so for now, this is Shift Life signing off. Bye bye.